The town of Lexington Water and Sewer Department is always working to deliver best-in-class service to all of our customers while striving to better manage water resources and our infrastructure. We are embarking on an exciting new project that will upgrade our metering technology to enhance customer service and provide customers with more ways to manage water use, all while improving operational efficiency and environmental stewardship. This project will upgrade all of Lexington's water meters with new advanced metering technology from Badger Meter. This simple process will make a big difference in the way you manage your usage, control your bills, and are notified about potential leaks in your home. By working hard to implement this upgrade, we hope to make life a little easier for you. While we're excited to begin this project, it will take time to upgrade every meter in Lexington. Most installations will take place Monday through Friday during regular business hours over the next 12 months. We will be partnering with a premier supplier of water meters and meter reading solutions in New England, the Stiles Company, to implement an advanced cellular meter reading solution from Badger Meter. We have contracted with an approved meter installation company, Tealsh Engineering, and are working with the engineering firm Weston & Sampson to ensure this upgrade is done efficiently and correctly. You will receive a notification in the mail when installations begin in your area. Once the notification is received, simply call the number provided or go to the website to conveniently schedule your appointment. You just need to make sure access to your water meter is safe and clear and that someone over the age of 18 is present. Your water will be turned off for a short period during the installation. The installation process should take on average about 40 minutes per meter. The installer will be wearing proper identification. Current meter will be exchanged with the upgraded meter and transmitter. The town is requesting the transmitter be mounted on the outside of the home or building. Your new meter will give you increased control over your water usage. In the near future, you will have access to a consumer portal and smartphone app called Ion Water, provided through Badger Meter. Ion Water will allow you to conveniently monitor your water usage and be notified about potential leaks in your home. In an effort to continually improve our service, we will be rolling out the Ion Water portal at no cost to you. There is a lot to look forward to, and it all starts with your new meter. Throughout the implementation of the advanced metering project, Lexington Water Department will continue to provide safe, reliable water service. As the project progresses, updates will continue to be provided. For more information, visit the website on your screen. We're looking forward to providing you with the best possible service.